Self-confidence comes from knowing that I can do something and knowing that I can do it well. Having complete faith in myself and my abilities. If I ask you to write the English alphabet from A to Z, how many of you will be able to do it? You will do it in a jiffy. That is self-confidence. But how did you get there? Of course, with a lot of practice, a lot of motivation, a lot of encouragement, and a lot of love. But then, what happened along the way? Somewhere we lost our motivation, we got discouraged, we lost the enthusiasm, we stopped loving ourselves, and we started losing our confidence. I can't seem to speak up. I can't seem to talk in public. I can't seem to make a presentation. I can't seem to have the confidence to succeed. And at times, I can't even seem to complete the tasks that I have assigned to myself through the day. Today, let us work on ourselves and aim to regain that lost confidence. Hi, I'm Seema and I'm an EFT practitioner and an EFT trainer. I'm also a practitioner of matrix re-imprinting and matrix past life re-imprinting. So let's start tapping. Even though a part of me wants to speak up, I know I'm being targeted. I know I have to stand up for myself. I know I have to voice my thoughts and opinions. But there's another part of me that doesn't have the confidence or the courage to do it. But still, I choose to love and accept myself and honor all my feelings. Even though I'm well prepared for the presentation or exam or whatever it may be that you're prepared about, I know I can do it well, more than well. But what if I get nervous? What if I forget whatever I know? What if I mess up? I choose to release all these fears and let the confident me emerge with love and acceptance. Even though I'm great at what I do, I lack faith in my abilities. I don't trust that I'll do a good job. I am so uncertain. What if I'm ridiculed? What if they make fun of me? And then my faith comes crashing down. But today, I choose to live in the moment and start to have faith in myself and my abilities. I am so insecure. I have no confidence. I can't even tell them that they are doing the wrong thing. I can't even tell my team member that she's at fault. I can't say anything to anyone. But I keep seething with anger inside. I desperately want to speak up. But I'm so scared. What will they think? What if they retaliate? What if they don't believe me? I am so scared. I just don't have the courage to speak up. I just don't have the confidence to speak up. I have no faith in myself or my abilities. I have put in so much of effort. But I just don't want to come in the forefront. I'm okay working in the background, never to be seen or heard. But when I see someone else coming up and shining, I get so jealous. I could have also been there. I could have also made that presentation. I could have got all that applause, but I just don't have the confidence to go up on the stage and present my analysis, views, or opinions. But when will I get there? How will I get there? What am I waiting for? There have been times when I feel I'm not well prepared. I know all the answers. I know I have it in me to succeed. I have the knowledge. I have the skills. But then, my lack of faith and confidence take the worst of me, and I end up messing up and made fun of, ridiculed, and shocked, and mocked, and shunned. What if all this happens again? I can't take it. And then I start doubting myself. I start losing faith. What if I'm unable to pull it through? What if I get nervous? What if I'm unable to perform? All these doubts, they just don't let me move forward. They destroy my confidence. I get so nervous. What if I start practicing? Because I know practice makes perfect. Let me put in all the effort that is required. I may fail a few times or get it wrong sometimes. But I can always be there for myself. I can always encourage myself. Instead of looking for all the encouragement outside, I can give it to myself. I can be there for myself at all times. Motivate myself to move on. Getting my enthusiasm back. Regaining my excitement. I can keep at it, day in and day out. If someone questions me, or tries to discourage me, or tries to shake my confidence, I can simply say, "This is your opinion and not mine. It is what you feel and not me. I know I've done a reasonably good job, and I can keep on improving." With practice, encouragement, motivation, excitement, and enthusiasm, I can do a very good job, bringing so much confidence into myself, filling myself with so much of confidence, showering myself with confidence. I am confident. I am speaking up. I am successful at whatever I'm doing. Loving and accepting myself and honoring all my feelings. Let me know how this tapping has helped you. On a scale of 0 to 10, where did you start and where did you end? Share with me in the comments below.